How to create a customer record in AAAPOS RetailManager. Go to the information menu and choose Customers, or press Ctrl+U on your keyboard. The Customers window appears. Please note, you can also create a new customer directly from the Sales window during a transaction to speed up the sales process. Simply press F5 when at the customer number, or enter your own code, then press Enter, and press C to create a new customer. If you want to specify a customer ID, type the alphanumeric characters in the customer field and press Enter. A question window appears. Click Create. If you want a unique customer number to automatically be allocated, press F5. The word New is displayed in the customer field, and a customer number will be allocated after the information is committed. Fill in the customer's details that are relevant. Select the required grade for the customer in the Grade field. This is where you can give special pricing for customers based on their grade. See Pricing Grades under the Stock Management menu for more information. If required, select the Status option. If you have renamed the Status option in the Security Options window, this option will be labeled with that name. For example, VIP. This will enable you to send emails to just your VIP customers, and also generate reports for your VIP customers. For more information, see Custom Options under the Setup menu. Enter the customer's contact details. If the customer has more than one location, select Address to and enter the additional details. You can enter details for 3 locations. Please note, when exporting customer details, only Address 1 will be exported. You can also send invoices, statements, sales quotes, etc. to multiple email addresses. Just separate each email with a comma and no spaces. For example, accounts@yourdomain.com and comma, sales@yourdomain.com. If applicable, select the customer registered for GST option and enter the customer's 11-digit ABN in the ABN field. Now select the default delivery address. Select whether you want to print, email, or print and email transaction documents and statements for this customer. If you don't want this customer record to appear in search windows and reports, select the Hide in Searches or Reports option. You will only select this option if the customer no longer comes to your store, but you want to retain the customer's purchase information. If this customer resides overseas, select the Overseas Customer option. This will then prompt you when you are making a sale to an overseas customer that you are charging them GST. Please note that this should be changed to GST-free, as the exports of goods and services are generally GST-free for overseas customers. This option is grayed out if you have selected the customer registered for GST option. Click the Information tab and complete the fields as required. Enter the relevant information in the custom fields. These custom fields can be used for reporting purposes or creating emails to a particular group of customers. In the Sales Screen Message field, enter any message about the customer you want displayed in the Sales window every time the customer makes a purchase. Enter any more detailed notes about the customer in the Customer Notes field. Notes entered here are not displayed anywhere else. Please note, when adding customer messages, you can enter messages like VIP customer, or show new gardening products, etc. The customer messages are displayed in the Sales window, so they may be seen by the customer. In the Messages Options window in the Setup window, you can also enter a generic message for all your customers to be printed out on all customer receipts. Click Commit F10, or press F10 to commit the information.